Struggling to get your business off the ground? What if I told you that in just minutes, you could access 80 ready made business kits designed to help you start earning without wasting hours creating content or products? Stick around because I'm about to show you how this tool can save you time, boost traffic, and make your online journey way easier. My first impression? This is an absolute game changer for beginners and even intermediate marketers. You're getting fully prepared business kits ready to deploy, which eliminates the guesswork and speeds up your results. Honestly, it's one of the most practical tools I've seen for anyone wanting to launch online businesses fast. So, what exactly is 80 Premium Business Kits? It's a cloud based platform that provides 80 done for you business kits, including websites, graphics, templates, sales funnels, email swipes, and more. It's perfect for new affiliate marketers with no email list or ad budget, people who feel overwhelmed creating content from scratch, anyone wanting a ready to go system to start generating leads and sales. The biggest pain point it solves? Most beginners ask, I don't know how to create websites, funnels, or emails. This kit literally gives you everything pre-made so you can focus on getting results instead of struggling with tech or content creation. Let me quickly show you the dashboard. Once you log in, you'll see all 80 kits neatly categorized. Each kit comes with its own website template, graphics, and even pre-written email swipes. You can preview, edit, and export anything you want with a single click. Everything is cloud-based, so no downloads, installations, or headaches. It's designed to get you up and running in minutes. Just pick a kit, customize if you want, and you're ready to start sending traffic and generating leads or sales. Now, there are a couple of optional upgrades. OTO 1, Premium Add-on Kit, adds extra advanced templates and niche-specific kits for $47. OTO 2, DFY Funnels Pack, 50 plus fully done-for-you funnels for $67. These upgrades are optional, but if you want even more ready-to-use resources to scale quickly, they're definitely worth considering. Now, here's the exciting part. If you grab 80 premium business kits through my link, I'm giving you 10 exclusive bonuses worth over $1,500 designed to skyrocket your results fast. Lead Book Generator. Automatically integrate leads from Facebook ads into your list. WP Email Timer Plus. Countdown timers for websites and emails to boost conversions. Slide Up Bar plugin. Build your email list faster with attractive pop-ups. Social Media Marketing Boost. Leverage social platforms for more traffic and engagement. Affiliate Marketing Thrive video course. Learn how to become a top affiliate marketer. Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. Find profitable keywords for your campaigns. Instant Content Creator. Generate high quality articles instantly for traffic and SEO. Backlinks Warrior software. Build high quality backlinks to rank your sites faster. WP Video Focus. Keep visitors engaged with video widgets on your pages. VidBuilder WP plugin. Easily create responsive video sales pages that convert. These bonuses alone can turn the 80 kits into a full-scale online business system. And remember, they're exclusive and only available through my link. Final verdict? 80 premium business kits is a must-have for beginners and marketers who want results fast. You get 80 ready-to-go kits plus my exclusive bonuses, making this an insane value. But here's the catch. My bonus stack is limited to the first 25 buyers, and it expires in 48 hours. So don't wait, or you'll miss out. If you want instant access, click the link below now to claim your copy and grab all my exclusive bonuses. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss high-value tools like this. Remember, 80 premium business kits plus exclusive bonuses, your shortcut to starting and scaling your online business fast. Click the link, grab your kit, and let's get started.